Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A57s, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings. From here, scroll all the way down to, you probably wouldn't guess it, but about the device, because that's apparently where storage is located here. There we go. And in here you can select the storage and scroll down where you'll find your SD card. Click on it. And now at the bottom you'll find Format SD card option. When you press on it, it gives you a quick message that formatting will remove everything from it. If you don't want to lose the data from it, do make a backup copy of it. But assuming you have already done so, or you simply don't want to, you can then select Format. So begin formatting it, which only takes a couple seconds to finish up. And should be right about done any moment. There we go. So there we go, that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.